All right, let's move on. And now let's go to our next talk. So this talk is called Automation Meets JavaScript, right? So this talk will be presented by AEP JavaScript community from China. So a bit of this talk, okay? So we have business, right? And it's continue to grow and innovate. And we have automation as well, which is critical for all the aspects of the project, right? So in this session, you will hear a great story, right? How JavaScript actually power up automation tools, and all the techniques will be shared as well. How you make sure your development, test, and all the things related are automated as much as possible. So, best practices, real world examples, and all the cool things from Michael and John, lead software engineer and delivery manager from China. So, guys, over
Okay.
to you.
Hi, Pep. Yep. Okay. Cool. So, yeah, it's very lucky. I think it's the third time to join Borderless JS conference, and yep. So here is Michael and John, and from AP community. John can move to next page. Yep. So next, yep. So first, I just yeah try to share for AP and the JS community. And if you check, we are encourage engineering thinking or engineering practice or a lot of stuff. And also you can just follow and our community and also support team or yep.
Hi everyone, my name is John Kind. Today I'm going to walk you through with some topics about automation in this presentations, which is including the first topic of how automations helps business. And next we'll be move on to safeguarding business by automation testing and code check. And the third topic that we have is improving software development efficiencies by automations. Next, we'll be having a topic of leveraging automation and other technology in JavaScript. And at the end, we'll be having a demo of platform engineering. And after that, we'll be having a QA section. So before that, we are diving into this topic. So let's first understand what we mean by automations. So automation refers to the use of technology to perform tasks with minimum human interventions. This can range from simple system to complex artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms. So automations can be applied across various business functions, including manufacturing, supply chain management, customer services, and marketing, and etc. So automation is mostly driven by predefined tasks and running in various of applications. So as a result, tasks will be implemented by software applications or hardware devices. Um, so automation is not a new concept, but it has been evolved significantly over the years. And the first wave of automations began with industry revolutions, where machine replaced the manual labor in manufacturing. And the second wave came with introducing computers and internet. So enabling digital automations. Today, we are in the third wave, which is presented by advanced technologies like AI, machine learning, and robotic, and etc. So one of the most significant benefits of automation is cost reductions. So let's break down how automations achieve this. So we've got the first point of labor costs, which is automations reduce the needs of manual labor, which can be one of the most significant expense for business. Robots and the automated systems can work 24/7 without breaks, which is leading to cost saving. And the next one that we've got is error reductions, which means that human errors can be very costly, and automations ensure that the task is performed with high efficiencies and consistencies. So reducing the likelihood of mistakes can lead to financial losses. And the third point that I put here is energy efficiencies. So automated system can optimize energy usages by leading to lower utilities of builds. And last I put in is inventory management, because automation in inventory management can reduce the holding cost by ensuring optimal stock levels. So in today's fast world, getting products and services to market quickly is crucial, because automations plays a very important role in accelerating this process. There is something that we should look into, including the first point, streamlined productions, where automated manufacturing process can significantly speed up productions, and also for faster decision making, which means that AI and machine learning can analyze massive amount of data in real time, providing insight and enable quicker decision making. And next would be efficient testing, which means that automated testing tools can quickly identify and fix issues in software development, ensuring that the products are market ready faster. So let me share a few of the real world examples of how automations help business. The first one is Amazon. Amazon is the pioneer of automations. Its fulfillment centers are equipped with robots and handle tasks like picking, packing, and sorting. This has enabled Amazon to offer same-day and next-day deliveries, setting the standard in e-commerce industry. And next, I'm going to talk about Tesla's Gigafactories, which is highly automated, with robots performing tasks like welding, painting, and assembling. This allows Tesla to scale products rapidly and meets the growing demands of electric vehicles. And next example is for cloud services vendors like Azure and AWS and Google's. They offer utility and tools to help developers to deploy, manage, and also monitoring their applications automatically. So this helps developers to just focus on their developments. So in conclusion, automation is a game changer to business looking to reduce costs and accelerate time to market. By leveraging advanced technologies, companies can streamline operations, improve efficiencies. And now let's move on to our next topic. So in today's digital age, software is a backbone of almost every business, from e-commerce platform to financial systems. Software applications drive everything, including operations and customer interaction and decision-making process. So ensuring that the quality of the software is very important. As if there's any defects or vulnerabilities can lead to significant financial losses, reputations damage, and legal liabilities. So manual testing has been like the traditional approach to ensure software quality. However, it comes with several challenges, including the first one is time-consuming, because manual testing is a labor-intense and time-consuming tasks. So tester needs to execute the test cases repeatedly, which can delay the release of the software updates. And also another problem is a human error, which means that the manual testing is prone to human error. Tester may not may overlook the certain scenario or make mistakes in executing test cases, leading to incomplete or inaccurate result. Another problem is limited of test coverage, which means that due to time and resources constraints, manual testing often provide limited test coverage. That means that not all the possible scenario or some edge cases are tested, so increasing the risk of undetected defects. Then the last one would be scalability issues. As software systems grows in complexity, manual testing becomes increasingly difficult to scale. So it becomes like challenging to keep up with the pace of development and ensure comprehensive testing. And on the other hand, automated testing addresses the limitation of manual testing by leveraging technology to execute test cases automatically. And the key benefits of automated testings, including the first one, speed and efficiencies, that automated tests can execute it much faster than the manual tests, because it allows more frequent testing and enable continuous integrations and continuous deployment practices. So as a result, software updates can be released more quickly and reduce time to the market. And next advantage is consistency and accuracies, because that automated tests are executed consistently and accurately every time, so that it can help to avoid risk of human errors and ensure that the test result is going to be like reliable and repeatable. And another advantage is that comprehensive coverage, which is automatic testing can cover a wide range of scenario and edge cases. And test script can be designed to simulate various of users' interactions or system state and environmental conditions, providing comprehensive test coverage. So for the scalabilities, automated testing is highly scalable, because the test script can be executed in parallel according to across multiple environments, allowing for efficient testing of large and complex software systems. So there is several types of automated tests, as we can see in the slide. Each of these tests serving a specific purpose in software development lifecycle. And the most common automated testings are unit tests and integration testing and end-to-end testing. They aim to test the application from different layers, ensuring that the output and the behavior of the application of software match our expectations. And there are also some more others type of testing, like regression testing, which is ensure that the new code changes would not be introducing any defects or break the existing functionalities. And also for performance testing, which is ensure that applications perform expectedly, and security testing, which is identify the vulnerabilities and the weakness in the software. And in addition to automated testing, automated code check also plays a very crucial role in safeguarding the software quality. Automated code check involve analyzing the source code and identify potential issues and enforce coding standards. So let's explore some of the key benefits of the automated code check. And the first one is early detection of issues. And because automated code check can identify the issue early in the development process before the code is integrated and tested, this allows the developer to adjust problem before application going live, and to reduce the cost and effort to require to fix it later. And the second benefit is consistent code quality. And because automated code check enforce coding standard and the best practice consistently across the code base, this ensures that the code is maintainable, readable, and matched to the industry standard. And the third one is improve the security, because automated code check can be identify security vulnerabilities in code, such as some maybe hard code credentials or insecure API and improper error handling. So by addressing these issues early, business can reduce the risk of the security breaches. So there is a few of tools available for automated testing and code checks. And like here is some popular ones like the Selenium's, JUnit, and Jazz, and Jenkins, and SonarQube, which is, I believe, that some of you might just be very familiar with. And here is some real-world examples of automated testing and code check. So like take technology companies like Google and Facebook, for example. They employ the intensive automated testing and code check to ensure that the quality of its software products, and use a combinations of various type of automated tests to validate the code change. And also they have internal tools to do the static code analysis and performance testing and security testing. So automated tests are executed as part of the CI/CD pipeline to ensure that the code change do not introduce any defects. And this approach also applying to many others companies. So another example is that the banking corporations, automations testing is crucial to financial systems, and comprehensive and robust automated testing flows can help to make sure that system like trading system or analysis systems will be running with high availabilities with good performance. And this is critical to their business. So in conclusion, automated testing and code checks are essential for safeguarding business by ensuring the quality, security, and performance of software systems. By leveraging advanced technology and best practice, business can reduce the risk of defects and vulnerabilities and performance issues. So next topic, we'll be talking about software development with automations. In today's fast-paced digital world, the demands of the high-quality software is ever increasing. And business needs to deliver new features, updates, and bug fix rapidly. So, however, the traditional software development process can be very slow, error-prone, and resources intense. So, improving efficiencies in the software developments can be crucial to meet some of the market's demands, reduce costs, and enhance overall productivities. And for the role of automations in software developments, automation improve that software development efficiency by streamlining various stages of development lifecycle. So let's explore how automation impacts the different phases of software developments. The first one is requirements gathering and analysis. Because automation tools can assist capturing and analyzing requirements more efficiently. And the natural language processing algorithm can extract the requirements from documents, emails, and conversations. So as a result, providing suggestion or design and some maybe prototype from the automated tools. And the second one, it's coding and development, because automation in coding involves using tools and frameworks that offer code generations, code completion, and code refactoring. This tool helps developers write code faster, so maintain consistently and to align any code to any code standard. And next, I'm going to talk about its development and release and monitoring, because that automation tools streamline the deployment process by automating the tasks such as environment provisioning and configuration and management and etc. The automated monitoring tools gonna consistently track the performance and health of the software applications. And for the benefits of automation in software development, the adoption of automation in software development offers various benefits, contributes to overall efficiency, as you can find them in the slide. And in short, automations in the software development accelerate development lifecycle, allowing business to quickly respond to market demands and stay competitive, and ensure improved code quality through automated check and testing, resulting in more reliable and maintainable software. So several automation practices are essential for improving software development efficiencies. And let's explore some of these practices in details. The first one is known as CI/CD. So continuous integration involves that automatically integrating code change from multiple developers into a shared repository. So automated builds and test process can be triggered with each of the code change. And CD can extend the CI by automating the deployment of code change to productions or the other environments. And the second one is automation tests, which has been introduced in the previous chapters. And last one, it's automated monitoring and alerting. Automated monitoring tools, it's consistently track the performance and health of software applications. And these tools provide a real-time alert and insight, enabling proactive maintenance and quickly resolution to the issues. So in conclusion, automation is a powerful enabler of efficiency in software development by streamlining various stages of development lifecycle. Automations reduce the time to market and provides code quality and enhance cooperations. So now,
Okay, John. Yeah. So yeah, I'm back. So yeah, I think cool. So yeah. So maybe I also can discuss a little bit, and I think today we also will be introducing some automation, more advanced topic. I think as of now we are talking more about some maybe traditional automation and practices, right? So John, can you maybe move to next
Yep.
page? Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. So currently, I think we have another thing we want to take into consideration is why we try to bring automation and JavaScript together. So for this topic, so as of now, maybe you feel some parts are still very legacy part, right? We have been discussing from day to day activities, but for now, the core part of our session is to try to introduce another concept, is automation and JavaScript are shining. So if you know, currently we are trying to code everything, right? Infrastructure as code, solution as code. I think we have some candidates or joiners already raised some questions, right? Like how to address or technical debt or similar, right? So if you check, we can try to, if we can code everything, right? Then we also can try to introduce a lot of rules to control. I think this is we want to introduce here: diagram as code, documentation as code, application as code. And another thing is we have automation, right? We have automated infrastructure, automated application assembling. I think currently a lot of solution or architecture is not doing, we are not building the wheel from scratch, right? Rebuild. We are more like building something. We have vision there. We pick something and assemble together, right? So for this topic, we are trying to combine automation and JavaScript and come up with platform engineering. If we have some templates, orchestration, automation, a lot of stuff, we will have demo. Maybe John also will share. Maybe in last maybe 5 minutes or yeah. John, can we come to next page? Yep.
Yep.
Okay. So for this, I think the rule of automation and JavaScript development, right, code generation, a lot of concept here. We will try to show and how we try to combine everything with the cloud, DevOps, a lot of stuff. Yeah, maybe we also can go to next. Yeah. Just try to borrow 10 minutes for our demo. Yeah. And then,
Okay.
yeah. Okay, we will going to give some platform engineering demo. And June, can you maybe move to next page and also next?
This one?
Yeah, cool. So I think the core concept we want to show and demo today is not about some traditional how we try to automate unit testing or automate deployment. It's more like we are building a platform. Let's say we have normally now we have a lot of SaaS platform, right? So let's say I want to use that platform to build my website, right? So we are trying to automate this. So let's say we have admin, right? Let's say Michael from A company and John is the founder of the platform engineering company. I just come to John. Hi, John, I want to build my website. Then maybe John will try to create my website based on his website. His website is just the platform. Then based on the background, I think John's platform engineering company, right? Then it will create the code repository and create the infrastructure and also create the CI/CD pipeline and deploy my working software or working website onto the platform. And that platform named Michael's website. Then let's say Michael also want to enhance some features as a developer, right? Then I also can check out the code and do some coding and enhancement, then upload the code, right? Then another version of Michael's website is there. I think also John's platform also introduced some automation testing and automation SonarQube quality checking and scripts, a lot of stuff. Maybe I think John, could you please also help to demo to the audience how you helped Michael to build my website? Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Michael. So first, I want to show you that here is the repository that we have. We currently have four. The
Yeah,
reason why I
so
showed you
seems
guys.
we have 4 websites, right? 4 repositories.
So we've got
So
some.
will you create 2 repositories, especially for Michael, from on the fly?
Yeah. So
Okay,
Um,
okay. Let's try to see.
so here's the admin UI as Michael's mentioned. So let's start it. Maybe I'll change the name. Let's say Michael's website.
Okay, cool. Yeah.
Yep. So Next, we have got the options
I
to.
need a microservice. Microservice. I don't
Yep,
need a monolithic. Okay, cool.
that's cool.
Oh,
And next, we'll be having different technologies.
I like a Node.js because our topic is about Node.js,
Yeah, that's
React, or
great.
JavaScript. Okay, let's use it.
Okay, and then
Yeah.
we just go to next. And here is the progress being made.
Yeah. Can you
And
also try to go to the repository?
let's see. Okay, now first I
Okay.
wanted to show you there is the pipeline which is running right now. That's triggered
Oh,
by the
really?
website.
Oh, who triggered it?
Yes, triggered by me. Actually, the API sent from the UI, so that
Oh,
we have just
so which means you from your website, you create a website for Michael, then you just click create, then it will create. Let me try to check. It
yeah.
will
So
create.
there is some automated process right here. So for example, like create repository also,
Can
and
you go to the repository? Because I saw there were 4 repositories. Let's see if we have more now.
yeah, let's wait because now it's trying to create another repository.
Okay, I cannot wait. Yeah,
Yeah.
okay. Cool, yeah.
Okay.
Let
Now
me try to.
let's refresh.
Oh,
You can see
no, oh,
there's
cool. We have 6 repositories now, right?
yeah. So
Let
that
me
is
check. I
created by
have
the pipeline.
Node microservice. We have Vite, React, repo. Oh, cool. Yeah, I think 2 repositories were based on for micro, right?
Yeah,
Okay,
that
cool.
is that's
So
created
can
by.
I know if I already get my website running?
Let's check. There is some
Or
more
still running,
pipelines.
right?
Yeah. So
Okay.
there's this template and then this pipeline is running.
Okay. Oh, I think this
But
is
there's
just a demo website, right? Okay, cool.
yeah, that's should be done now, I guess. Yeah, it's been finished.
Uh,
So yeah,
I
that
think.
we can go to a list to see. Here is the application which has been deployed, and
Okay, let's try to click it. So which means my website is running now.
yes, and here you can see that's your application.
Oh, cool. Yeah. So which means, let's say if I want to change my Vite plus React to my website, then I just go to the repository and check out and update, then build the pipeline. Then my website will be updated, right?
Yeah, just simple as that.
Okay, cool. I think yeah, I think yeah, I'm not sure whether, but I think this is a great automation. I think this not only contains automation of testing report, but also contains the automation of entire website creation. The
Yeah,
end-to-end, the backend, microservice, front end, and the CI/CD, everything all automated, right?
yes.
Cool. So another question is, can you also go to the PPT and
Yeah, absolutely.
okay. I think I assume maybe audience also see our discussion. I think we already have with Jones Platform Engineering Company, we already built another website called Micros website, right, from scratch. So if you see, the platform engineering is the entry point, and then it will trigger API call to our backend. Our backend will create repositories, and also will create CI/CD pipeline, and also will create infrastructure. June, can I understand for infrastructure, are you using Terraform or Azure Resource Manager? Or
Yes.
in this demo, you not yet integrated that one?
Um,
Okay.
we also have different versions with Terraform
Okay.
or without Terraform. It's
Okay,
flexible
cool.
that you can
So,
choose
so
different
which
types.
means your backend will include several features. The first is based on Michael's request, you will create the infrastructure, and then you will create the code repository, both front and back end, and then create continuous deployment pipelines, right? Continuous
Yes.
build pipelines. And
Yes.
then, okay, I didn't see automation testing report, but I assume due to time constraints, maybe that part is just in vision. Okay, maybe next time we can show more on that part. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, cool. I think we still have 4 minutes. So Pev, and should we try to ask some questions or
Yeah.
answer some questions? Yeah.
Yeah, actually, we do have a question, but before that, let me say thank you guys to your presentation, right? To your live demo, right? It was really great, really inspiring. Thank you for that.
Thank you.
So we have actually a question, right? So it says the following. So what strategies can be employed to address the technical debt that accumulates in automated scripts over time, especially when dealing with large-scale complex system? Guys, do you mind to elaborate a bit on that?
Okay. So first, I'm not sure whether I can answer it very well, but I just try. Okay.
Sure.
So the first is we are trying to address some technical debt that accumulates in automation scripts part, right? Especially for automation scripts, especially when we try to deal with a larger scale. So first is currently, let's say we have automation like Azure CLI, PowerShell scripts, or just the shell scripts, or maybe Python, right? So currently we have a lot of things like configuration as a code or similar. So first, if different developers try to write different scripts, right, or different preference, that will sometimes sucks because you will see a lot of duplicated codes, right? So normally, I would suggest for automation scripts that take date, right? We should use maybe some strong type language to write. Try to just don't expose very low level scripting language to others. This is the first approach. And just like JavaScript, and then they introduce TypeScript for large scale, right? That is a similar concept. I think we can borrow and try to resolve the technical debt. Another thing is modular and also documentation as code and a lot of stuff. We also can similar concept that we can borrow and use here. I think this is my answer. I'm not sure whether I answered it. Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. John,
Yeah.
and do you have anything to add to
No,
Michael?
that's everything. Yeah.
Okay, Brill. So then again, thank you very much for your talk. Really inspiring one, really detailed one. Well done, guys. Thank you very much. And yeah,
Okay. See you. See you
everyone,
next
see
year.
you on the
Okay.
next talk.
Thank you. See you
Bye.
next time.
Bye.
Bye.